Ready? One, two, three, go.
Hey guys, welcome to the another most weighted session, that is Infosys puzzles question and answers for 2023. So these are the recently asked questions in the morning slot. So we are taking the questions and we are going to solve in this live lecture, right? So before going to start the lecture, would like to give you the one suggestion that keep a rough book and paper and pen with you so that you can solve along with me, so that you can know how to solve these type of puzzles within the less time. So I'll always suggest, while you are watching any type of learning videos, always try to do the rough work beside. So just look into this. Guys, am I audible or not? Please let me know. In the chat, some people are saying you are not audible. So Shivangi, can you confirm whether I'm clearly audible or not, so that we can start our session without any further delays? Okay, cool. Now I am audible. So, guys, this is a placement season, you all know, right? So, a lot of on campus, off campus hirings are going on. So, frankly, I'm telling you, in order to get the notifications of different companies, placement or notifications, a lot of people are missing the notification. So, in order to not miss any type of notifications of any company, I'll always suggest you guys the powerful interface now we have is social media. So always go for Instagram handle. We have Prep Insta 2023. So if you are a 2023 batch, follow Prep Insta 2023 Instagram page, or if you are a 2022, Prep Insta 2022. If you are a 2024, Prep Insta 2024. So we are posting the post which is related to year specific. So you don't have to verify whether this drive is for you or not. We are directly giving you that this is for you. So if you are a 2023 page follower, if you get any notification, that is for you, and you can directly apply without any second thought. And if you want to reach us and to clear your doubts and want to create any doubt solving sessions for you, please reach us through Discord and WhatsApp, and follow us on LinkedIn and Telegram to get all the related information about placements and updates in the MNCs. So, yes, let's get started. Without any further delay, here's the first question. Try to pause the video and try to solve it on your own first. and then we will look into the explanation part. So yes, I am seeing the chat. Meanwhile, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the chat as well. And parallelly do along with me. So please solve the questions quickly and in a logical way along with me. Puzzles don't have any type of theory. It's all about your IQ and how you are solving the numbers in a logical pattern and how you are finding the relationship between the numbers. So this is how we have to crack this type of problem. Yes, so many people are already answering. So Aditya said 16 and Rahul Patel is saying 16. So for one or two questions, I make it little simple. But after 3 to 7 questions, it is next high level questions. Again, last 3 to 4 questions is of moderate level. So Infosys maximum in 80% cases they will ask the hardest puzzles only, but you need to be very quick between the numbers. Yes, I got some answers from Preeti as well as Vikash. Okay, just look into the solution now. Guys, whenever the tabular oriented puzzle is given, first we need to go through either row wise or column wise. Again, I'm telling you 70% cases the puzzles can be solved through rows and remaining 30% will be columns. If you are unable to find the relationship, immediately switch to column. But first try for rows only. This is the very basic thing you need to learn before solving tabular puzzles, right? So let's look into the row wise concept, how we can do it. So when I say 6, 18, 54, I can slightly imagine that 6 become 18 and 18 become 54. So just look at here guys, 6 become 18 is nothing but into 3 and 18 become 54 also into 3, right? So next if you look, 4 becomes 17, 4 cannot become 17, right? So this is how you need to break the problem. So one row you got some logic, but second row it's not verifying or not following. Simply your method is wrong. Just erase the screen and try to find the remaining another logic quickly. So how 18 become 54? So 18 into 3 is nothing but 54. How can I design? See, if you see 17 become 34. I can't create 17 from 4, but I can create 17 to 34, which is nothing but into 2. So here they have multiplied with 2, here they have multiplied with 3. So I got one logic. See how 6 will become 3 and how 4 will become 2. This is how I have to think. You don't have to stuck with the first row or first column or first elements. Always try to find the logic behind the numbers across all the numbers. Don't stick with the first row or first column. So 4 become 2, 6 become 3. Can I say this? 6 by 2, 3 by 2. Sorry, 6 by 2 is 3 and 4 by 2 is 2. So we are doing half of the first element and multiplying with the second element so that we are getting the third element. Simple logic. So see, 6 by 2, 3, 3 18s are 54, 4 by 2 is 2, 2 17s are 34. So 8 by 2 is 4. So 4 into 4 is 16. Answer option A is correct. Yes, everyone is given beautifully the answers. So very good guys. Option A is correct. And if you understand GG in the chat, if you didn't understand anyone, please you can ask me in the chat and the live is for asking the doubts as well. So we are always happy to help you guys. And just look into the next problem related to so the same tabular, but the level of the difficulty of this problem is level 3. So try to solve it on your own first. I am giving you just 15 to 20 seconds. So meanwhile, I'll look into the chat. Anyone have doubts? I will clear their doubts in the chat. Okay. Okay, cool. No one having doubts. So I am guessing for the answers in the chat. And one more thing, guys, I would like to say in between while solving. So we have created the cheat sheet for the Infosys. So if you have any examination tomorrow, so try to go through this cheat sheet, which is we already provided the link in the description, and Shivangi also will share it in the live chat. so that you can pick this document and you can prepare for your upcoming Infosys examination. It will really help you guys, and you can able to solve a lot of questions of similar models. So this is the cheat sheet we have created and link is already provided. So try to grab this document and try to prepare from them, and you can able to get more score in the upcoming Infosys. Okay, let's don't waste the time. Let's get back to the questions. And I have seen some people are giving the answer like 5, option 3 or something like that. Let's look into the solution. How can we do? Let's just look at here. I told you already 70% cases we can solve through rows first. So I'm starting here. 44, 22, 9, 41, 22, 9, 7. If I see 41 is a prime number, whenever you have seen a prime number, remember guys, prime number cannot give you the multipliers, which is nothing but you can't divide like 2 into 3, 3 into 7 like that. So try to go for additions. This is the way of logical solving of the puzzles. So 41, 22. Add them. 41 and 22. If you add, the answer is 63. So what is the relationship between 63 and 9 and 7? Logically, we can write 63 as 9 into 7. So the logic behind this first row is nothing but sum of the first two boxes, and the remaining two boxes will give you the product term as same as the sum of the previous two. So let's try whether it is correct or not. Just look at here. I got some random logic. I will verify with the last row. If it is correct, my answer will be predicted from the third row, which is nothing but second row here. But if my logic fails here, I will go with a new logic. Always you need to very quick at finding the logic. It's not about finding the answer. It's about finding the logic. How many ways you think and solve the question is the matter here. Okay. So 14 plus 10. Answer is 24. Which is nothing but 24 can be written as 8 into 3 or not. Yes. Logically the approach is correct. Why? Because I came up with this knowledge is nothing but whenever I see the prime numbers, I'll always go with the additions first rather than the multiplications. This is how you need to get the logic. Okay. So next one is 19 plus 20. The answer is 39. And one number is already written as 13. And how can I write this question mark? Which is nothing but the product must be equal to 39. So answer is simply 3. Option D is correct. Okay. So just look into the next question. So again, I'm giving you 20 seconds, and meanwhile, I'll look into the chat. So please try to solve this question. I would like to listen the answers from you guys. So how you can solve this, I would like to see. So don't throw the answers, throw the logic. How you got 41 out of 657. So don't throw the direct options like A, B, C, D. Try to give me the logic behind the answer. Question. Surya, the cheat sheet will be open. Don't worry. I think maybe due to some internet issues on your side or so many people are accessing the document. So maybe sometimes server will will not handle the traffic. So sometimes. Okay, 9 star 7 plus 8. And I'm seeing the logics like 7 star 5 plus 6. Yes. So many of you people got the correct answer. Very nice. Just look at here. You know how to create the 41. How to do the problem. It's very easy, guys. Whenever I see in the last digit 1, so 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11, right? So unit digit will come up with 1. So I got like, if I multiply 5 and 6, it will give you the unit digit 0, that is 30. But you cannot create 11 from 7, right? Remember, when you have this type of puzzles, you need to use all the numbers. You can't skip the numbers. So if you are skipping the numbers, they will never give you the logic. You have to utilize all the numbers. So in order to reach the 41, I have one chance that 7 5s are multiplication 35 And in order to reach 41, I need to add 6. So I got one logic, whether it is correct or not for the next numbers, just verify it. 9, okay, this is a question mark, right? We can't solve. Just verify through the third figure. 11 into 9, 99. 99 plus 10, answer is 109. Okay, cool. Very simple logic. So what will be the answer for here? Which is nothing but 9 into 7, 63. And 63 plus 8, which is nothing but the answer is 71, option D. So just look into the next question. Try to solve it on your own first. I'm giving you again 20 to 25 seconds for this problem, and I hope you will do correctly. So I want to listen to the logic, not to the answer. And meanwhile, if you have, let's see the remaining questions. Yeah, so many people are giving the correct answers. Very good. Try to practice like this. Definitely, you can able to solve these questions in upcoming examination of Infosys. So yes, yes, guys. Whoever not unable to open the cheat sheet, now you can open it from the live chat, and we already shared the Infosys cheat sheet link in the chat box so that you can easily get it. Okay, what is the logic, guys? I'm waiting for your replies and in the live chat. 36 plus 25 plus 16 plus 9 is the answer. Yeah, cool. So money got it correct. And what about remainings? Okay, King, Kohli, 86 is correct. Simran is correct. Krishna is correct. Good, guys. It's very cool. Just look at here, guys. Whenever we have seen the number 2, 2, 3, 4, how can we create 33? So 33, if you see, it is 3 into 11. So 11 is a prime number again. So how can you create this type of formulas? If you add and if you multiply, just look at here. Here we can say 3 into 11. Then here our answer must be 4 into something, right? But 54 is not a 4 multiple. And even 54 is not a 3 multiple. So 3 into 11 is a wrong approach. So whenever you see, you have to think and analyze the problem so quickly. Then how can we do this type of problems? Simple. When you can't reach by the multiplication, you have to reach through additions. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Again, I am not reaching. So the logic behind this problem is simply nothing but sum of the squares of the numbers. So just look at here. 2 square is 4. This 2 square is 4. 4 square is 16. And 3 square is 9. So 9 plus 4, 13. 16 plus 4, 20. So answer is 33. I already know I can't get the answer through products. Next, I have added. Also, I am not reaching the answer. Why? Because they are simple. How can I reach the bigger numbers? So instantly you have to thought like maybe squares can work, maybe cubes can work, or multiplication with a constant number will work. These type of things you need to remember. So here squares of a numbers is the answer. So square it and add them. So just look at here. 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is 16. 16 plus 4, 20, and here it is 34. 34 plus 24 is 54. Yes, correct. Sum of the squares. So directly add them. 25, here 4 square is 16, here 3 square is 9, and 6 square is 36. So simple, guys. 9 plus 36 is 45, 40 plus 25 is 70, 70 plus 16 is 86. And even if you can do it easily by unit digit concept. See, 5 plus 6, 1 unit digit, and 1 plus 9 unit digit is 0, 0 plus 6, the unit digit is always 6. So many ways there are to optimize your time while solving the questions. Okay, so just look into the next question. Again, I'm giving you some time. Try to solve it on your own first for the 20 seconds. Hardly I will give every 20 seconds for the question. I can't give you more than that. Why? Because we need to complete as much quick as we can. Why? Because you need to be very quick at solving also. Yes, I am looking into the chart. Ramya, same question may not be repeated, but I'm telling you that the logical approach and all the models will be definitely will be repetitive. So try to practice these type of questions so that you will improve your logic. Okay. Yeah, today paper was a bit tough. I have gone through all the question and answers. A bit tough, but if you practice well, you can easily crack it. I have observed the thing in the based on the paper. Yes, I am seeing it. No answer came. So let's look into the explanation now, guys. Whenever I have seen this type of problems, I'll always think about products. How can I create these numbers by multiplications? But my thought will end up when I see the prime numbers. So remember, I'll always look for additions and subtractions and multiplications only in any puzzles. But when I see the prime number, my thinking will stop and I will go for logical relationship within a figure. For example, if you see here 41 is there, which is a prime number, which you cannot divide by any number or you can't split into the two numbers or you can't define a perfect relationship between others. So whenever we have this type of problems, immediately do one thing, do the partition of the figures. Either maybe like see here the image is split into eight equal parts, right? Either you can add two blocks, either you can add three blocks. Three is not possible for eight. So either you have to add two blocks, which is nothing but opposite blocks sum every time is equal. You can assume this one first. And sometimes you have to go for 4 by 4. So maybe this 4, this 4, or this 4, or this 4 like this. So, but for this particular problem, the logic is implemented as the sum of the left hand side of the square, which is nothing but this square box, sorry, this rectangular box, which is nothing but 41 plus 21 plus 35 plus 14, which is equal to 2162, and this one is 49, which is nothing but triple one, right? So the sum of the leftmost rectangle, all four elements sum is triple one. So let's verify the same logic for the right hand side. If you get the options, your logic was correct. Again, remember in the puzzles, only unique solution will be there. They will create the options like with a unique logic only. If our assumption was wrong, option won't available there, then you can change the order of the numbers and everything. It depends on the practice, how quickly you are doing. So add them x plus 16 plus 40 plus 42, which is equal to, we need to equal to triple one. Why? Because we are assuming that these two blocks are equal. So 40, 42, 82, 82 plus 16 is 98. So triple one minus 98 is nothing but 2 is short. Here 11 is there. So total 13. So x value is equal to 13. Yes, the option is visible there. So my logic was correct. Right? So try your own logic. If you got any other logic with a different answer, you can throw in the chat. Why? Because we need to know multiple answers. Again, I'm telling you, the logic need to be unique, not a random logic. Okay, so this is how you need to solve these type of problems. Okay, again, I'm giving you 20 seconds. Hardly 15 is enough for this problem, I know. So try to solve this problem and tell me your answer in the chat. I am waiting for the replies. And again, so many people recently now only joined. So I would like to tell you one more thing for them. We are providing the cheat sheet for Infosys. So the link is given in the description of the video, and we are given the link in the chat, live chat as well. So you can open it and you can prepare from here. And if you want to practice these type of questions more and more, you can visit our Prepinsta Prime. Here we have given all the questions related to Infosys and everything. So you can prepare here directly all the puzzles and everything separately and step by step oriented. So it may be little internet issue on my end. So that's why the page is not loading. So let's get back to this and we'll come back to the website when the internet was got set up properly. So don't forget to go through our cheat sheet. Okay. So let's get back to the questions. What are the answers you guys have got? Yeah, so many people are saying it's 36. Some people are saying it is 63. Even 63 is not there in the options. I don't know how they got. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, so many people has given the answer as 36. So just look into the explanation. Simple guys. Whenever you have a separate boxes, always find the logic behind the box. You don't have to go for rows, columns like that, right? So just look at here 6 and 4 and 3 and 72. So when I see the 72, I'll always think about 72 only. How can I create 72 from the existent numbers? Addition obviously won't give you, and 72 is not a square number or cube number or a square root. So you don't have to use any squares, cubes, square roots, or even additions also won't help you. So then last chance we left with is multiplication directly. So multiply whether you will get 72 or not. 6 into 4, answer is 24. 24 into 3, 2 times, remainder is 1, so 72. Yes. By multiplying the 3 cells or 3 boxes, we got the final answer. Whether it is correct or not, let's verify. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 4 is nothing but minus 2 minus plus. So answer is 8. Yeah, very simple logic. Multiplication of the numbers to produce the our required answer. So even without solving the problem, I'm directly taking the answer. I may need to explain. Tell me in the chat. I may need to explain. No, very simple. The product of the all the numbers. Obviously, 9 twos are 18, 18 twos are 36. Okay, cool. I hope everyone is understanding the logics. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. And just look into the next problem and try to solve it on your own first. And then we will look into the explanation, guys. I'm looking for the again answers. So what your next answer? Yes, some people are saying option D, which is nothing but 5, and some people are saying it's 6, option B. Okay, let's do it. No issues. Okay, some people got B, and okay, cool. Let's look into here, guys. Again, I'm telling you this logic. Whenever you have individuals, always think logic behind the individual boxes. These are the very basic stuff, guys. But if you follow these basics as a rules, you can easily solve the problem. And yes, some people are asking about cryptarithmetic. Guys, we already created cryptarithmetic video on our channel. So the link for the cryptarithmetic and full explanation of around 5 to 6 questions there in the video around 1 hour, and you can watch it from our description of this video. We are provided a link for cryptarithmetic. So hope you can watch there and you can learn the cryptarithmetic. So as of now, we are discussing on the puzzles for today only. So if you want cryptarithmetic, the link is given in the description. Okay, just look at here. How can we create 12 from 6 and 4? Again, remember, you can't double 6. Or similarly, you can't multiply with 4, 20 directly. Remember, by using the given all the numbers, you have to design your answer if you want to design a logic. Remember, you have to use all the variables they are given or constants. Okay. So how can you create 12 from 6 and 4? 6 fours are 24. 24 divided by 2, which is nothing but 12. So I have created 12. So multiplication of the two numbers, and next I have divided by 2. is logic is acceptable by the remaining two numbers or in next box or not, or next numbers or not. Multiply them 20 into 8 and divide by them 2. 2 will cancel this 10 times. 10 8s are 80. Yes. Multiplication divided by 2 is the answer, not into 3 into 4. So try to multiply these two numbers, which is nothing but 21 into x divided by 2 is equal to the resultant 63. And 21 will cancel this 3 times, and x by 2 is 3, then x is equal to 6. Simple logic, right? So the answer is option B. 6 is the correct answer. So many people got 6 as the answer. Some people have got 7 as the answer. Let me correct. Am I wrong or 6 is correct? I want to always listen the answer from the audience or the students. Why? Because they need to convince. So this is our priority. So is it correct or not, guys? Please respond in the chat. Or am I wrong? Yeah, Shashank, you are also correct. 12 by 4 is 3 into 2. So I have done in reverse order, you are done in the forward order. It's anything is fine. See, for example, you are multiplying 12 and 3 and simple, right? See, for example, I done 6 into 4 divided by 2. You done divide by 2 into, sorry, divide by 6 into 2. Divide by 20 into 2. Anything will be same. All logics are will give the same answers. Okay, just look into the next problem. I'm expecting some answers in the chat. There is some internet glitch on my end, so chat is loading so much slow. So actually, I'm waiting for the answers. Yes, I got some answers like Anuj, Shruti, and Srinu. They are saying it's a 49. What about others? Okay, everyone is saying it's a A. Even I don't know. Let's verify. In the following question, okay, guys, even I am not reading the instructions. Always, when you see the puzzle, why you need to read the data, right? So skip this thing. Don't read while you are solving the puzzles. It's a waste of time. Always get the logic behind the question by seeing the visual data representation. Don't read the question; it will waste you around 5-10 seconds. It's the most valuable time in the exam. So I don't go with this. So 18 and 19 is given, 35 is given. Okay, multiplication of 18, 19 won't be possible, and the 19 is a prime number, so I can't use as any numbers multiplication. For example, I can 18 can be written as 6 into 3, and 19 into 1. How can we add? So it's also not a logic. Simply do one thing: add these two numbers. Will you reach towards 35 or not? 18 plus 19, the answer is 37. But I am not reaching 35. You don't have to do anything, just wait for the call and let's go for the remaining numbers. Maybe you got the logic, you may get the logic. So 22 plus 24, the answer is 46. But here they have given 43. What is the logic? 37 minus 2 is 35. 46 minus 3 is, sorry, 46 minus 3 is 43. So after adding the two numbers, the first time they have subtracted minus 2 and the second time they subtracted minus 3, then what will be the answer? Definitely they will subtract minus 4 in the next series. So simply 26 plus 27 minus 4, so which is nothing but 23. 23 plus 26, answer is 49. So simple, right? So always run behind the numbers. You can easily get the answers. Why? Because if the numbers are small, you can go with additions or simple subtraction additions, combination of additions, divisions, like this. If you are seeing the bigger numbers, you can go for multiplications on squares, cubes, and powers. Okay, let's look into the next problem. Try to solve it on your own first, and let's get started. Yes, our moderator is posted the Infosys coupon code. Just now I got into the mind that guys, in order to get the best discount for the Prepinsta Prime, we are providing the coupon code Infosys, and by purchasing through this, you will get all 150 plus courses in our website. For you can access, and if you see, if you want to learn popular languages like C, C++, Java, Python, or if you are preparing for any competitive coding like in intermediate coding, competitive coding, and data structures in different languages like C, C++. And if you want to prepare for aptitude, you can see quantitative aptitude, logical, verbal, all the things we are already created, and you can directly prepare from here. And if you want to see the most important concept of Infosys is cryptomathematics, so many people have their issues in the cryptomathematics solving, so we have a separate course for it. You can learn from there. And if you want to solve the puzzles, we have a puzzle courses also. So you can go through all these courses with a single subscription, that is under Previn. So the coupon code is Infosys. Try to grab this opportunity and try to get into the your job or placement quickly from preparation of our courses. Okay, just look into the next one. In the following question, okay, again I won't read the question. Go to the diagram. They have given a hexagon like this. Even I don't bother about the shape. So they have given some six numbers, and they have given some six numbers pair, and they want to find the last question mark here. How can you solve this problem? So if you see, how can I solve is nothing but I can go for this 80. Why? Because when I see the 80s like 10 multiples or 5 multiples, I can easily get the logics. So I'll always check for the easiest numbers. So see, when I'm going verifying the numbers, I got 60, sorry, 80. How can 80 can be written as, here if I see the 5, 80 can be written as divide by 5, right? So it will cancel one time, remainder is 30 means 6 times. See guys, 5 is here, 16 also here. So if you divide some number and you are getting the neighbors as that number, right? So I got my logic, which is nothing but 5 and 16 is multiplication is 80. Whether 4 into 18 multiplication is 72 or not, verify. Why? Because neighbors product is the answer of the biggest number. So 18 into 4, 40 plus 32 is 72. Yes, correct. Okay, I got the logic. Is verify with the next number. 7 13s are 70 plus 21 is 91. Perfect. Then what is the answer? 11 into 99. See, here logic is difficult to find quickly, but the solution is damn easy. So in order to find the logic, if you take or if you spend around 30 to 40 seconds, 9 11s, 99, you can get in the fraction of seconds. So that's why the logic is the major key for the Infosys puzzles, not the final answer calculation. If you observe all the options they have given, just I'm quickly scrolling across the slides. All the slides not even more than 3 digit. All the numbers are 2 digits only, and answers are 2 digits only. Even single digit is there. So the resultant answer is very simple. The puzzle's main intention is to identify your intelligent quotient, how IQ of your brain is working quickly across the numbers. Okay, so just look into the next question. Try to pause the video. Sorry, it's a live now. So try to solve it. I will give you the 20 seconds timer again, and we will look into the answers in the chat. Okay, I am hoping for the answers. What is the answers? Yes, Radha, Samla, Setu, and 547. All are giving option C as the answer 7. Even I don't know. Let's hope it will be correct. Why? Because a lot of people are saying 7. So I hope it must be correct. Yes, everyone is saying 7. So let's verify. Even I don't know the answer. Okay, guys, when you see the first row having the largest numbers, and there is no relationship between rows. Just look at here how I recognized it is not row based. Here, answer is not important. How we are solving is important. I am not going through rows. Why? The first question you have to raise in your brain that you don't have to go through rows. Why means I am seeing repetitive numbers in the rows if you see the logic. And here even see the smaller, bigger numbers alternatively. So rows cannot give you the answer. Then what I have to do? The second approach, which is nothing but column-wise approach. And first column is the answer we need to find. So don't bother about it. Go for the last. Or you can pick the simple number. Anything, however you can think, you can do. Okay, 21. 21, how can I design? 21 is nothing but 7 into 3. Already 7 is given, but here 4 is given. 42. 42 is nothing but 7 into 6. 7 is given, another number also 7 is given. Okay, I got one logic. I want 4, but they have given 3 only. I want 6, but they have given 7 only. So I got it, which is nothing but the middle row, they are doing minus ones. See, 7 into 7 minus 1, 7 6 are 42. 7 into 4 minus 1, which is nothing but 3, 7 3s are 21. So 6 into 6 will give you the 36. But here it's need to be minus 1, right? So x minus 1 is 6. Then x will be 7. So the question mark must be 7. So that you can subtract 1 and you can multiply with 6. You will get the answer 36. Remember how I am going towards rows and columns. Whenever I see repeated numbers in the rows, don't go with the rows, directly go with the columns. This is the best approaches we can go forward with the question answers of these puzzles. Okay, so just look into the next problem. Try to solve it quickly and please let me know let me know the answer in the chat. Guys, again I'm telling you, you can create multiple logics, but answer always be unique. So remember this. Okay, I got some logics. They're also good, which is nothing but 7 sevens minus 1 like this. Maybe works, may not works. Even I don't know. Okay, what is the answer, guys? I'm waiting for the answers. Yes, the answers are coming in the chat. That is option C, option C, option A. Yes, I got two answers now. That is option A and C, which is nothing but 8 and 7. And Subham is posted as 4, even option 4 or answer 4, even it is not there in the options. Okay, let's verify the answer. What is the logic behind it? Okay, if I see, guys, 5 to 4 10. See, I always told you I will always catch up with the 5 multiples. So in the row we have 5 and in the end we have a 5 multiple. Yes, we can create some logic. So which is nothing but 5 into, how can I create 10? 5 into 2, 10. What is the use of 4? But you need to use it. Okay, we can do in one thing. 5 into 4, 20. And divide by 2. See, guys, I have used all the three constants they have given. 5 into 4, 20. Divide by 2, 10. I got my answer. Whether it is correct or not, just verify for the remaining. Even if you see 6, it is a 3 multiple. Yes, there is a chance our logic will work. So 3 into, see, multiplication of first and third. So 3 into 4, 12. Divide by 2. Answer is 6. Yes, perfect. So what will be the answer? 4 into 2 divided by 1, which is equal to 8. So option A is correct. There is no doubt. And everyone, 90% got the correct answer. Yes, guys, again I'm saying a lot of people are watching, so that again I would like to tell you this. We have shared the cheat sheet for the Infosys. You can able to learn all the concepts like and you can able to know the test pattern and the syllabus, which is nothing but reasoning ability, mathematical ability, technical ability, and verbal and pseudocode and puzzles. Everything we have embedded in this PDF. So all you need to do is the link is given in the description of this video, and in the live chat also the moderator has posted. So you can click on the link and you can prepare from this cheat sheet, and this is a good thing you can prepare from in the last step. So it will be really helpful for you. And if you want to purchase our Mr. Prime, and around 150 plus courses we are providing, so you can use the coupon code Infosys to subscribe to this website. And so many people are asking about cryptomatic as well. So I would like to tell you guys, cryptomatic video link is given in the description of this video. You can press on it and you can watch the video. It's clearly explained from scratch to advanced level. And again, I'm telling you, this is a placement season. The first thing you need to know is how to get the notification of any company which is related to your particular pass out batch. For example, if you're 2023, if you're 2024, you need to know whether this notification is for you or not. So I'll always suggest follow our Prepinsta year specific Instagram handle so that you can directly get the notification or you will directly get the post related to the company's hiring. You don't have to verify whether it is for your batch or not. You can directly apply if you meet the criteria, which is nothing but educational criteria, right? If you're at 2023, follow Prepinsta 2023. If you're at 2024, batch pass out, Prepinsta 2024 is the Instagram page. 2022, Prepinsta 2022. So if you want to reach us to solve your queries, we're always here to help you guys. We have a great doubt solving sessions in the Discord. And if you want to reach us, you can reach us through Telegram, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp as well. Thank you so much. This is the end of the session. And if you have any queries, you can ask me in the chat. And within the next 2 minutes, we'll close our session. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me now, guys. Yes, Aritra, we are also hoping by the August month end they will release the notification of Infosys off campus. So it soon will happen. Get ready for with your preparation. Anytime they will release. Thank you so much, guys. If you want to know the complete syllabus of Infosys, the link is already shared in the live chat. So you can open it and you can go through the Infosys full syllabus page. Thank you so much. This is the end of the session. And see you soon. Bye bye. Thank you, Shivangi, for the moderation. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.